To update MetaTrader 4, first, ensure you have a stable internet connection. Open the MetaTrader 4 application on your computer. Once it is open, navigate to the top menu and click on Help. From the dropdown, select Check for Updates. The software will then connect to the server to determine if an update is available. If an update is found, a dialog box will appear, prompting you to download and install the latest version. Click on the Download button to start the process. The update may take a few minutes depending on the size and your internet speed. Make sure not to close the application during this time. Once the download is complete, the installation process will begin automatically. You may be prompted to close the MetaTrader 4 application to proceed. Follow any additional instructions that appear on the screen. After the installation is complete, simply reopen MetaTrader 4 to access the updated version. To ensure everything is functioning correctly, you can check the version number by going back to the Help menu and selecting About. This will show you the current version of MetaTrader 4 you are using, confirming that the update was successful. If you encounter any issues during the update, consider reaching out to your broker's support for assistance.